Good morning, everyone. So we have a pretty big adventure planned for today. It's around like 8:30 right now. I have the trailer hooked up and we're gonna go pick up a new car. We are driving all the way out to Kamloops though, and that's about a 4.5 hour drive there and a 4.5 hour back. So we have 10 hours of driving in order to go get this car. We're gonna go pick up Stefan, and then we're gonna go pick up my two friends who are on the race team Speed Fanatics. And then we're gonna hit the road, start driving up. Hopefully there's no snow on the roads, but I think this big girl can take it. And then hopefully go pick up a car in good condition. Because if we go all the way out there and we don't pick up a car, it's gonna be a little disappointing. But yeah, just be prepared. So, all right, let's start the road trip. I just picked up Steph and we've been on the road for like 30 seconds and we see this car accident. It looks like that guy may have, oh my God. I have no idea what happened.
Yo, that's fucked.
Are they okay?
Yeah.
Jesus. So Steph, how do you feel about the...
We get 10 fucking feet, man.
So Steph lives like right there by that black car. We make it there and already have to turn around. Wow.
Oh my God.
Okay, so we got Steph, and we're picking up the last guy. Kuma, you ready? You ready to get your car?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. And then Steph's gonna study, because he's a nerd.
Fuck!
What's up?
How's it going?
Look how dirty she is. My toe mirror. Oh my god. So we're in Merritt right now, filling up. Super Save gas. Gonna fill up and then hit the road again. Oh. Man, it's so nice here. Oh, that timber. Oh. But yeah. Oh. Yeah, so road trip's going pretty good so far. We saw a car that rolled over, which was insane. But good. All right, we have fuel. We have snacks. We have companions. And now we're gonna hit the road. First meal of the day. It's like what? 5:30? That is the only meal I've had. Same with this guy. Only meal.
Just get it on film.
It's a little, yeah. Okay, so are you ready to see the new car?
Nice!
It's not mine, it's Kuma's new car. But, wow.
Let's see that. Let's see that. Smells like gasoline.
That's the new car. And what's cool is it's left-hand drive. The left-hand drive Japanese Cressida. So that's pretty cool. So, yeah, I don't know if I said, but this isn't my car, it's Kuma's car. He asked for some help to tow it, and I said yeah. So we took the Ram 3500 and met up with Kuma, and we picked up his new car. What's the plan for your new car, Kuma?
No, just fix up and get a collector license plate.
Yeah.
No swap, no modify.
Not yet.
Yeah,
Not yet.
don't say that.
But yeah, that's it. We drove like 5 hours to come get this. Whoa, let's see what's in the trunk.
Had a gasket.
What is that?
Had a gasket. Everything's
That's the top part of the engine.
yeah. All the trunk is.
What, the trunk leak?
No, it's rubber.
Oh.
It's my tire.
I like that.
Yeah. Amazing.
That's fancy. But yeah, so the guy tried to do the head gasket because apparently these things are known for blowing head gaskets, and he tore it apart and he didn't have the time to put it back together. Super nice guy, but yeah, no rust, really clean. And yeah.
Have wipe? Cleaning wipe?
I have napkins.
Sure. Cleaner, some milk.
He's gonna go put on his GT sticker club. Steph has been saying he's gonna study the whole trip and hasn't studied at all.
Snapchat thinks differently.
So yeah, I don't think I don't think Steph's gonna end up studying. We have like 10 jerry cans. So we can get cheap gas out here. But over here it's actually not that cheap. A little bit further down, it's a bit less expensive. Whew. But yeah, we drove 5 hours. I only slept for like 3. And we have to drive another 5 hours back. And hopefully there's no snow on the mountains because that'll slow us down and make stuff more difficult. And we don't have snow tires, but we have M&S, so it's still legal.
M&M's.
M&S. Hey, what's the word of the trip?
Dickhead?
Icicle.
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 Dickheads.
Icicle.
Dickheads.
Hey, Steph, what was that thing you got really excited about earlier?
What was it called? Cock something? Cock room?
Cockhouse.
Cockhouse.
That's what he thought it said, but it said
And the
cookhouse.
donkey refugees.
Yeah, there's a donkey refugees like place. A rehabilitation? What was it?
Refugee.
Refugee. It's a donkey refugee farm or whatever. So if you have a donkey
And it needs to be
and yeah, and it needs a safe place to live, send it over there somewhere.
2
Send
hours
it-
fucking
Yeah.
south of Seminar.
Yeah, 2 hours south of here. Donkey. How many icicles do you think you can make with that snow?
回贴好了。那个蛮好，回贴没事儿，问题不大。这个主要是容易歪，你这
Great
样粘。
skill it takes to put stickers on. Kuma's first mod. GT
And I was
Club.
20 horsepower. 20 horsepower.
20 horsepower right there.
Turbo.
On an engine that's not running right now. Ugh. Alright, I think we need to hit the road. Quicker we hit the road, quicker we... Look how dirty the truck is. Whew. She's a dirty girl. Okay, so now they went to Dollarama to get a tarp for the Cressida because it keeps spraying, well, the truck and the road keeps spraying rocks and mud and snow at the car, so I'm gonna duct tape it on and we're gonna start driving back, and Steph's gonna stay awake with me so that I don't fall asleep because that would be bad.
Yes.
And yeah, I'm probably not gonna record anything going back because it's gonna be dark. You guys can't see it anyways. And also, I have no more room on my GoPro because I forgot to move the footage off. So yeah, that too. Also, I can't believe we saw a car flipped,
Yeah.
like on
It's a
the side on the highway.
picture of it.
I might have some video of us driving by, so I'll put that in, or I'll put a picture that Steph put, like right here.
Yeah. Edit.
Yeah.
Click. End in.
And yeah, it was messed up. And then yeah, there's been a couple accidents today.
Yeah.
5 minutes in, 3 on the highway, 1.
Yeah.
The one on the highway was bad though. That was bad. Yeah.
Pretty
but-
fucked up.
Yeah, it was, he done goofed it. Probably slipped on an icicle or something. Alright, so we made it about 15 minutes. And then one of the tarps started, well, I guess both of them started flying off. So we had to pull over and re-put them on. Oh, but yeah, so once we put, oh, damn, what did I just kick? Once we put those on, then we can hit the road again. And hopefully make it back sometime around 10. Yeah. Ooh. Well, yeah, but that's the update on what's going on. Okay, so the zap straps broke off of the tarp and almost hit a semi. Not the tarp, the zap straps, the tarp. Should have been bad. Yeah, and now Steph's eating corn chips, and we're just waiting for Kuma to get more zap straps. And then we can zap strap it down. Steph slammed the tarp in the hood, so I feel like that's the best solution. But we're gonna zap strap it down, and then we're gonna keep on keeping on. So we're parked here on Casino Road.
Does that mean there's a casino around here?
I don't know. Well, the road seems to end there.
What are the chances?
The road goes down there. I think they just like casinos out here.
You didn't get my joke.
Oh,
Casinos called chances.
because it's gambling.
No.
And it's can't. Well,
The casino's called Chances.
what?
The casino's name?
Which one?
The one out here.
Oh. I thought it was because, like, what are the chances that you're gonna get this and that? Okay, I'm gonna keep this brief because it's really, really cold outside. So we just stopped, I think, for our last stop. Yeah, the last gas stop at least. And truck's all loaded up. She's pretty dirty. Seen some cleaner days. Road trip tip. When you clean your windshield, clean your headlights so that they work better. They're not all foggy. Somebody's over there revving. Cressida is all taped up, protected from all the mud that's being slung up. Like, look at this stuff. It's nasty. Seems to be working too. Yeah, see, there you go. It works. What else? Yeah, we checked all the straps, made sure she was all tightened down. Steph just went to go get snacks. And that's it. We loaded up all the jerry cans full of gas. So we are basically ready to go. So, time to head back to good old Richmond. Alright, so there's the Cressida. All dropped off back in Richmond. You happy, Kuma?
Yeah!
Yeah. New JDM Daily.
US JDM.
US JDM.
Left hand drive. It's fake JDM.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Put over the top of it. And then one over the hood.
But the night's not done. Now we need to go back and unload the trailer. Yeah, but it was fun. It was worth it. It's time to say bye to the Cressida for a little bit.
Okay, is it locked?
Oh no, we need to.
Okay, bro.
Yeah.
See you later.
Thank you so much.
Yes. See you soon, okay?
Yeah. Hi.
See you, Kuma. See ya. Okay, so trailer's unhitched. Steph's tweaking out in celebration. Truck's all good, unpacked. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys liked our road trip. Steph, what should they do if they like the road trip?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Subscribe and like.
Subscribe and like.
Hit that bell to get notifications when we
Yes.
upload.
Hit that bell so you can always see. He knows what he's talking about. I don't know why he's not doing this. Yeah. And yeah, all you guys' views and likes and everything is such a big help. And everybody's already been so nice and so helpful about it. So I appreciate it, guys. And we'll catch you in the next video.